On the news tonight, President Tinubu will constitute NNPC Limited Board, appoint new chairman. Plus, 2025 World Autism Day. Experts advocate on support and understanding of persons with autistic disorder. Good evening and welcome to Nta Ijebu Ode News at 7. I am Fatima Hassan, and here are the news in details. President Tinubu appoints Bashir Bayo Ojulari as CEO of Nigeria National Petroleum Company and other members with effect from 2nd of April 2025. A statement by Bayo Ononuga, Special Advisor to the President, President Tinubu called on the 11-man board to bring their wealth of experience in improving operations in NLPCL. Bayo Ojulari, who replaced Mele Kairi, was the Executive Vice Chairman and Chief Operating Officer of Reliance African Energy Company, a joint Shell Petroleum Development Company of Nigeria Limited in 1991 as an Associate Production Technologist. President Tinubu appreciated the old board members for their dedicated service to NNPC Limited, particularly their efforts in rehabilitating the old Port Harcourt and Warri refineries, which enabled them to resume petroleum product production after prolonged shutdowns. He wished them well in their future endeavors. Meanwhile, the management and staff of NNPC Limited welcomed the appointment of a new Group Chief Executive Officer, Bayo Ojulari, and Board of Directors for the company by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. A statement by Olufemi Shoneye, Chief Cooperative Communications Officer, NNPC Limited, said staff of NNPC Limited extend their profound appreciation to the outgoing GCEO, Mele Kairi, and the former board members for their selfless and dedicated service to the company and to the nation. Kairi's leadership and tireless efforts, according to the statement, have left an indelible mark on NNPC Limited. The statement wishes outgoing GCEO and all departing board members continued success and fulfillment in their future endeavors. All forms of mob actions and jungle justice at any level or in any part of the country must never be allowed. This was the firm position of guests on Good Morning Nigeria as they called for judicial reforms that will strengthen the criminal justice system in Nigeria. Thomas Odbetere has the details.
The unfortunate lynching in Urumi have sent shocking waves across Nigeria, sparking widespread condemnation. Guests on Good Morning Nigeria, while discussing this effort made by the governor of Edo State in Kano, commended both governors and other well-meaning Nigerians for their role in de-escalating the situation. The guest called for proper supervision, harmonization, training and regulations of all vigilante groups across Nigeria. They also stressed that Nigerians must appreciate the ethics of allowing the law to take its full course and avoid any form of mob action.
Those who meted out that jungle justice did not anticipate the reaction that will follow it. Otherwise, they probably wouldn't have done what they did. So that, for me, should be something that all of us as a people should realize.
The governor has applied wisdom and problem-solving approach to issues. He has shown compassion and empathy. And this is what a leader should be. This is good leadership.
The guest noted that parents have a vital role to play in inculcating good values in their children. They also emphasized that the National Orientation Agency should continue its efforts to educate and promote peace and love among citizens. Additionally, they called on security agencies to build and strengthen trust among Nigerians.
When any incident occurs, you have to first and foremost ensure that you bring in some level of sanity.
I think we can do better, and it's a wake-up call that we have learned lesson. And of course, commendably, we have seen a radical departure, from previous instances and the responses.
They also urged Nigerians to see one another as brothers and sisters, regardless of tribe, class, or creed, in the spirit of unity and peaceful coexistence. In Abuja, Thomas Ogbetere, NTA News.
As nations aiding advocacy on autism management, Medical experts say advancing autism support requires a motivated approach to drive functionality and independence of persons with autistic spectrum disorder. Elizabeth Omorui reports on a forum to commemorate the 2025 World Autism Day with focus on early diagnosis and intervention. I report.
A child is a gift, but for some parents, this gift comes with immeasurable challenges. In some parts of Africa, some conditions might be attributed to supernatural influence. However, it's just a medical condition. Autism, a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by repetitive and inflexible patterns of behavior with difficulties in social interaction and communication. Recognizing the severity of this medical condition and its burden on society, April 2nd is primarily to create awareness in addressing autism. Folake Eibahi is a mother of a 10-year-old autistic girl. For her, accepting the condition aids management.
Mine did not come with autism in the first place. It was later they had an issue. Then later I just discovered that she started exhibiting some character of autism. But now I must tell you, she's getting better daily. I had to leave my job, leave everything behind so I could take care of her. So the burden was mainly on the dad.
Advancing autism support is the reason they are guarded to explore ways to build inclusive health and education systems, as well as partnerships to drive transformative changes.
Empower individuals with autism to advocate for their rights and participate fully in the society, and for civil society to advocate for more financial fundings for children with special needs.
We have established an early intervention center where parents can come to and then engage those children with a therapist who take them through the early intervention plan, and eventually they receive all the therapeutic services they need.
They recommend an effective support system to help families navigate the path, inclusive education, promotion of psychosocial interventions, and understanding the disorder to eliminate stigmatization. Elizabeth Omori, NTA News.
We'll be going on a short break. Please stay tuned.
Bro, I tell you, this match 3-0. Okay. If I win you, something will come out.
Don't play with me. Fast ball, fast ball. Ah. You know what? You don't shot me.
Bro.
Now we got this match.
Keep the banter going with Glow Borrow Me Credit or Data. Dial star 303 hash to borrow airtime or data and pay later.
Is it ready?
Power your relentless ambition with ultra high speed data. Glow Unlimited.
Oh, what a wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean whites and all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent, happiness with every wash.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. Hundreds of travelers have departed Osogbo, the Osun State capital, for Lagos through the free train service provided by the state government for the Eid al-Fitr celebration. Femi Afariogun has more.
Many travelers coming to Osun State during festive periods look forward to the free train ride provided by the state government. The Eid al-Fitr holiday is over, and the free train is returning to Lagos from Osogbo terminus. Many passengers, young and old, are full of praises for the initiative.
I want to come alone, but because free train is available, so I have opportunity to come with my children as well.
It's a good one. It's a good experience. I give kudos to the governor of Osun Adeleke.
That we love what he's doing. As far as he's dancing and he's giving results, we are solidly behind him.
The free train ride has become a tradition
that Adeleke-led government is not ready to let go.
His promise kept, because he promised to serve them, promised to give them dividends of democracy, and that's what he's doing. And they should spread the news that Osun is peaceful.
The V train is expected back in the state during the Easter celebration. In Osogbo, Femi Afariogun, NTA News.
Many residential buildings, religious centers, educational facilities, and electrical poles and cables have been destroyed by rainstorms in 2 local government council areas in Kwara State. Some victims injured by collapsed buildings have been admitted in a private hospital for treatment. Abdulwahid Bibire's report is hereby presented.
Ilorin, the Kwara State capital, and its neighboring communities for some time now are yet to experience rainfall. However, the Sunday's downpour, which ought to serve as a relief to the people, left a bad taste in the mouth of some residents of few local government areas. Residents of Eyenkori, Ugele, Alagbado, and Pasa in Ilorin West and Asa local government councils are still counting their losses resulting from the havoc. Several residential buildings, electricity poles, and cables, as well as religious centers, were badly damaged by the rainstorm.
We appeal to the federal and the state government and local government to assist us in this area, because all the pole and the wire you see here, we are the one that bought it for ourselves.
I'm a widow. My husband died December last year, and you can imagine everything happening now. So whatever they can do to assist us.
So at the time I would go out, majorly many things were demolished. The chapel towards my left was completely demolished. The generator house, which I'm standing behind, and some of our hostels.
In fact, people of Alagbado in Eyenkori have been thrown into total darkness due to the affected power lines and poles. The victims are helpless, appealing for urgent government assistance.
A lot of houses were affected. All the street poles and the rest were affected. We've been sharing transformer for the past 25 years with the other side. We don't have our transformer, and this place we have more than close to 5,000 houses in this area.
The case of Bashirat Bawatunde, a victim of a collapsed residential building in the aftermath of the rainstorm, was quite pathetic.
That's all we have for you tonight on Nta Ijebu Ode News at 7. Join us tomorrow for more interesting stories. Good night.
Oh, what a wonderful world of SureClean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with SureClean. SureClean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean whites and all colors, SureClean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of SureClean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. SureClean detergent makes your family clean and happy. SureClean detergent, happiness with every wash.